People ask me, why are you special? How is it any different from others? I would say special has many meanings. To some, it means they are better, greater than others. To some, it means they are very talented. But to me, it means being exceptional, being unique. I believe that everyone was born special. There may be similar specialty, but what makes the difference is how you choose to express it. It's about the passion, and my passion is cosplay. Cosplay, a combination of the words costume and play, where you dress up as your favorite character. I use it to my advantage as the artistic mind expresses itself through the character. Cosplay is a great source of motivation. With cosplay, I have very high confidence about myself. I'm not easily under stress, and I am able to manage my time well. As you can see, cosplay makes me different. I am a